Welcome, guys. So, today I'll be sharing majorly how to set goals using the Warren Buffett goal setting approach. So, Warren Buffett has a rule, the two rule. I'll be covering that in this video, and I'll be going straight to the point and hitting the nail on the head. So if you're new here, please just hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're an old subscriber, you can hit the like and also after watching, share this link with someone. Uh, Goal setting is actually a key element for living a seamless life and is a very important part of building your dream life. If you don't set goals, you're just having dreams, and dreams cannot come to realization. Dreams cannot come to reality without you setting goals. So, first, let's talk about what is goal setting. What is goal setting? Goal setting is deciding what you want and making a plan to get it. Very simple. What do you want and making a plan to get it. I made a video about vision and how to create vision board. I think you should watch it. Just check my channel for that video. So that video covers vision. So I won't be touching that. I'll be going straight to goal setting here. So goal setting actually is deciding what you want and making a plan to get it. In the vision, I told you to break it down into specifics and then write a goal and then an action plan. So if you have a goal can be broken into probably 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, 1 month. So we have goals for different time and different season or stages of our lives. So Warren Buffett has a rule, and this rule applies to when you set a goal for probably 10 years, you break it down into 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, and 1 year. So I always advise people to always set a long term goal and then break them down into short term. Let your short term goal lead you to your long term goal. I hope you understand. If you want to get a job in an oil company, that might be a long term goal if you're a student. So, what you can start doing now in the short term is getting volunteering experience, getting your portfolio ready, and studying, and also engaging with the oil companies. So, those are short term goals. But if you're already in the career space or you're already looking to settle down or doing other things, then your long term goal will be different and then your short-term goals will be different. So Warren Buffett's version says focus on few important goals and ignore the rest. That is Warren Buffett advice. Then Atomic Habits, that's the James Clear. I don't know if you've read this book. That's a book by James Clear. He said goal sets the direction, systems gets you there. So what you need to do for this two advice to actually work for you is for you to decide on what you actually want. That's the goals for probably 10 years, then break it down into a year. So we'll be focusing on the goals for just 1 year, not the 10 years goals. So if you have your goals for the year, let's say for the year 2025, 2026, or 2027, write down your goals. So we'll be talking more about this in the next slide. So, back to what James Clear said in his book Atomic Habits. If you've not read that book, I would definitely recommend that you read that book. It said, goal set the direction, why system gets you there. If you are just in the habit of writing goals, setting goals every year without systems, you will not accomplish the goals. So the essence of this video is to help you build a system, to help you build one system that will actually help you achieve your goals faster. So Warren Buffett goals approach is a system that actually works, and it's very very good. That's why I'm sharing this. So the first thing you need to do is to list So let me explain what is the Warren Buffett goal setting approach. What is Warren Buffett's goal setting approach? Warren Buffett goal setting approach is very, very simple. It's straightforward and easy to understand. So Warren Buffett was talking to one of his pilots, that's Mike Flint, and then he gave him the two list rule. It's called the two list rule. That's the name of the approach. It's called the two list rule. It's a focus approach for you to prioritize your goals. So it's a two list rule. You're going to have a two list. So let me break it down now, the two list. First, where to get started. First, you need to list the 25 goals. Like, list all your 25 goals in your career, your family, your relationship, what all aspects of your life, even your health, your probably whatever goals you want. I don't know the goals. Everyone has different goals. So whatever goals you have, just list 25 of them. And if you don't have up to 25, you don't have to actually list 25. You can list less than that. So once you've listed your 25 goals, number two is to select the top five priorities. Top five priorities. Like, select the top five goals that you want to focus on, then avoid the remaining 20. So that's the rule. The rule is just the two list rule. So the reason why I call it the two list rule is that you're going to have two lists now. The first list is the 25 goals, and the second list is the five goals. Now you're going to write out the five goals out of the 25 goals and focus on only those five that you've picked. So you focus on only those five until you achieve those five. You are not moving to the other 20. No matter the distraction, no matter the things that are coming, you are focusing on those five goals till you accomplish them. So once you have accomplished them, then you can now pick five more. You can see how it's going. And the reason for this is so that you can stay focused, you can prioritize, and you can stay disciplined. And the issue with too many options is that once you have too many options, it will be very, very hard for you to get things done. So when you have a lot of things on your mind, it will be difficult for you to get things actually done. So today, what I want you to do your task is to list 25 goals and then select your top five and then avoid the remaining 20 as much as possible until you complete that five. So, how do you win? The first thing you need to do is to focus and discipline. What you need is focus and discipline. So, what I mean by focus and discipline is focus on the five goals that you selected and stay disciplined so that distractions will come, new things will come, but stay disciplined on what you've selected and stay until you win. Stay until you win. If you are not winning on those five goals, don't move to the next one. So this is on you. List 25 goals and select your top five and then do them. Stay with them till you win them and then move to the next ones. So for me, if I want to do this, what I actually normally use to track my goals, I've tried different things, Google Doc, Excel sheet, and all. But what actually works for me is Open Dashboard. So Open Dashboard is a cool platform that allows you to do a lot of things, but you can also use it to track your goals. So you can actually use it for business, for your personal development, for content creation. But for this video, we're focusing on just how to track goals with Open Dashboard. So this is the link to the website, opendashboard.app. So I love recommending things that I use and things that I find useful. So that's why I'm recommending this for you to track your goals. So I'll be showing you how to use the platform to track goals. There's a template already for you to use. So it's very easy. You just use that template, edit it to what you want, and then you get right on it. And the beautiful thing is that the template is already there. You just have to just start using it. So and it has a lot of features where you can get reminders, you can use AI, you can like a lot of things. Let's just get into it, then I will show you more about open dashboard. Let's go there now. All right. So this is open dashboard, open dashboard.app. So once you've come to the site, all you have to do is sign up. So it's very easy to sign up. It won't take you like less than a minute or two. You're already in. So I've already signed up, so I don't need to go through that. So I'll just log in now, and you can sign up for free. So that's why it's beautiful. So I'll just log in. So this is my dashboard. This is my welcome dashboard, and you can see that I've already created a tracker for my goals. You can see it here. So this is the tracker for my goals. It has the goal name, the term, the priority, the start date, and all. So this is just a test run. So we'll be trying out the Warren Buffett goal strategy. Yeah. So like I said, you can track your goals and you can add more goals and edit it out, and then prioritize the ones that you want to focus on. That's the first five. So to get started, actually, so that because of the new people, like probably you've not used the platform before, so I'll just start afresh. So what you can do is I'm going to create a new workspace. So I'll just come here, click on create workspace. So I'll just create a workspace for myself. So let me just say for myself. So I'll go continue. What will you be using open dashboard for? Education? No. Let me see. Let me just put order. What type of organization do you manage? Let me pick a startup. My organization size 1 to 10. What's your role? Let me pick a team lead. And then my country is Nigeria. On. Okay, I'm coming. Let me fix my number here first. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, it's working. It's not scrolling, but now we're done. Nigeria. Continue. Let me build from templates. So there's a template for goal tracking already. So let me go from template. So what template would you like to install? There's no, my template is not here. So I'll just click which one should I pick? Project management. Let me continue. They're asking me to upload a logo, so I'll just find a logo to upload right now. Let me use my image. So let me type seamless life. Right. So let me continue. I'm not adding any teammate yet. So let me just set up my workspace. Sorry. So now that's it. If you're new also, this is how you create your own workspace. So it's very easy. You can see it took me probably less than 2 minutes or a minute to create my workspace. So if you're here now, it's very simple and clean. Like that's what I actually love about this platform. I'm more of a minimalist guy, and I love my things being very simple, especially the black and the white template, and my color, especially the red. So let's leave that and get right into it. So if you don't need to build from scratch, you can go straight to template. So just come here, welcome. You can go through the welcome page, listen to the videos, but you don't need that if you're doing the goal tracking. So all you need to do is just go to templates. Let me go to templates now. I've clicked on templates. You can see templates here. So I'll click on templates, then go to personal productivity. So I'll just click on personal productivity, and then you can see the first template here is the goal tracker. So I'll just click on goal tracker. You can preview it and read it. So just preview and read it. Then you can now install. So let me preview it. So this is the previewing, the template guide. There's a guide on how to use it. So you can check it, check it, and read through it. We won't be reading that. About the template, you can read that. So this is how the template looks like. This is the all goals, goal tracker. You can track your goals, the goal progress. You can see it's very, very robust. Goal progress, the goal description. So these are the descriptions for each of your goals. So the goal, so let me just go back now and install. You can see I can install from this place, the right top or the left. I'll just cancel and then install from here. Let me just install from here. So I want to choose the workspace I want to install this in. So I will just click on the seamless live drive. So that's where I want to install it. That's the workspace that I just created. So you can have more than one workspace depending on what you want to use it for. So for me now, I have my own personal workspace. That's for my own personal self. Then I have a workspace for my brand. That's Seamless Life Tribe. I have another workspace for the mother brand. That's Seamless Life Africa. So you can have multiple workspace and for free. Let me install this. So it's installing. Let's wait for it. So we're good. We've installed templates, the goals, that's the database. We have pages under the database. Then we are all set. We start installing. Goals tracker is installed. Thank you very much. Open dashboard. So you can see from here on the right here, this right here, we have the goals under the shared database. So this is our database. Our database is goals. So the template that we just installed is going to be under a database. So and then we have pages under it. So we have all goals. So these are all the goals. We can start editing this now to what we want. So we can start editing it to what we want. So first, like I said in the Warren Buffett goal strategy, I said you need to list all your goals. That's the 25 goals. So from here now, we just need to list our 25 goals. So let's assume this is 20 goals and this is 25 goals. So let's say we want to add 5 more goals to this. So all we have to do is come to add at the top here. So we click on add. You can see it added one to the bottom. That's 21. Now we have 21. So you just need to edit this and put a number there. Let's put 21. Then what is the goal? Probably fix, right, launch my app. So is this a long-term goal or a short-term goal? You need to decide that. So you just pick, let's pick long-term. Then the priority, is it high or low? Let's put medium. When is our start date? We'll put maybe any day. We put next year. You can even choose next year. So but let me just pick a day. So you just double click on it and then pick one. Then the end date, you pick an end date. Sorry, then we'll pick an end date. Then status not started yet. Nice. So the beautiful thing about this template is you can edit it to what you like. So let's add one more so that you just get how to add more. So you click on add. We have 22. So 22. Make one video weekly. So this is going to be a short term. So if you want to click on this, just double click, it will bring it up. So double click, it will bring it up. So we have this is going to be I, and then the date we can pick. We're starting next week Monday, and then we are ending 2026 Monday. Nice. So let me put here, double click, in progress. So that's how to add more goals. So you can add more columns and you can also delete columns. So this is a column: start date, target date, they're all columns. So let's say I want to add a column. What column should I add now? Let me just click on, look at where you can add a column here at the right here. So you just come here, look for probably checkbox, but we already have status, so we shouldn't add checkbox. So let me add AI. So AI, you can edit your prompt. So the AI feature here is where you can tell AI what to do with your goals. So let me edit the prompts now. So AI, my goal, let me edit the name, my goal AI, my goal AI. So what should I do now? So I need you to tell me how to celebrate the completion of my goal. I need you to tell me how to celebrate the completion of my goal. So let's put status. So we can put at uh, status. So text from attachment. No, there's no that. So I think we're good with this. So I need you to tell me how to celebrate the completion of my goal. So let me add my goal status using my goal name, my goal name, and using my goal name, and then what else again? What else can we use? What else do we need? So I think we are good, right? So we can add others just to make it fun. Let's add priority. Let's add term. So we are good. Let me just save this. So let me look for one that I've completed and just click on generate to test if it actually works. So generate is generating, is generating. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, let me view it. Let me view what it said. Celebrating the completion of your goal can be enriching. So it has generated for this one. Celebrating the goal can be enriching experience that enhances motivation and reinforces positive habit. Here are some ideas on how to celebrate effectively. Host a gathering, personal reward, treat yourself to something special, create a memory, share your success, engage in favorite, plan a future goal, reflect and appreciate charitable gestures. So gesture. So that's the use of the AI to tell you, you can give it different prompts depending on the kind of prompt. And if you're good with prompt engineering, you're good to go actually. So what else have I not covered in this video? So let's go to the next page. So this is the page for all our goals, like all our goals, like you have all your goals here. And I told you to pick the top five. So the top five should be the only one that are high on your page. So the only one that should be high is just the top five. And then you can sort them in such a way that only the one that are high will be at the top. So let me check here priority. So you can see that I've set the priority. I sort it in such a way that I can only see the five that are priorities. So I have to change some of the I here to low. So start a business, let's make it low. Let's make it medium. Let me remove the I there. So let's change this to medium. Let's remove the I there. Let's change it. Let's remove the I. So you can do that for the top five, and then you can focus on just those top five for the whole till you complete those five. So let's go to the goal tracker. That's the next one. Let's look to your left, the goal tracker. So these are our goal tracker. We have a total of 25 goals. The completed ones are 2. The one you've not started is 10. The one in progress is 10. So you can track your goals here and see the ones that you have, the ones that the total goals you have, the ones that you've completed, and the ones you've not started. This will also give you a clearer view of your goals. So this is it. We have a pie chart, we have a line chart. You can see, like, I'm loving this. I don't think there's any platform that gives you this, like this in details. So goal description, this gives you the description for your goals. So you can see all the description for your goals, and then the goal progress. So this is the progress of your goals. It gives you another view. So it shows you the ones in progress, the ones you've not started, and the ones you've completed. You can see them here. And you can also move it actually. You see, you can move it to each of the sides depending on if probably you've completed this one but it's not showing in completed. You just move it here and then it gets to completed. It's already added to completed and it will reflect everywhere. So the same with, you can drag and drop anywhere, drag and drop, and you can also edit, double click and edit any of them. So it's actually nice actually. So a lot of people are not using this, so that's why I thought to share it, and so that you can jump on it and start using it. So you can use this for business, for like there are a lot of things you can do with this platform. You can send mails, you can build workflows, you can build notification, you can get notifications, you can track your recruitment, you can build your sales for your sales team, track your leads, track you can build forms that you use to collect information from your customers and then collect their emails and send them mails. You can also do what they call it, this email automation. Yes, exactly, email automation, that you set up sequence of emails that will go out automatically to those people that fill your form. So they just immediately they sign up, they get the emails. So this video is getting very long, so I'll wrap up very soon. So I think we're actually done. I know once you start using it, you have questions. So once you get on it and you have questions, just come back to this video and drop me a comment. I will respond and then help you out. I'm always available to help out. So lastly, I think let me just add one thing before we go. In this place where you see new view at the top here, Once you click on it, you can add a new page. So the page, depending on what you want to do, actually, depending on what you want. But I don't think you need it. But if you're curious and you clicked it, it's just for you to add a new page. Probably you want to add a table, a form, a board, a document. Let me create a document where I want to write things, probably just to reminisce about my goals. So reminisce goal. So let me click on document. You can see I'll click on document, then I'll create it. So it will show, you see it's showing here now at the left here, go reminisce. So I can create a title for it, and then I can type my text. You can see it. I can add a new page under my document, so you can keep adding new pages. This is actually good for journaling. If you want to journal, if you want to write about your goals, about, or you want to think, and the best way to think is by writing. So you just write everything here, so you don't need to be moving to Google Docs or moving to different platforms. Everything is here, like all you need is here. So I hope this video helps. And like I said, if you have any question, just drop it in the comment. Thank you everyone for watching. Just, I think this video is valuable, so I don't need to ask you to subscribe again. Just like, subscribe, and share with someone. Uh, this is value for free. All right. Bye. See you in the next video.